Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsenhoff, Certified Master Tech out of Reading, PA. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to disable a car alarm. Now, unfortunately, it's pretty difficult with all the security upgrades they put in these newer car alarms. Factory car alarms, unfortunately, there's only one way of disabling them temporarily, is to disconnect your battery. A lot of these newer systems, like the Vipers, AudioVox makes a couple of them. They have battery backups in them. So unfortunately, just disconnecting the battery is not going to work. You'll have to find where the alarm is, not the alarm itself, but the horn is that they put in, and disconnect that. Unfortunately, it's not going to disable the alarm. You're still not going to be able to drive it. Alarms, unfortunately, when they do set off, they disable the whole car, and there's really no way of getting around them. You either have to fix the problem with the alarm or remove the alarm. Unfortunately, in my years, I've ended up removing a lot of alarms because of problems, because they're really difficult to repair. But as for a factory alarm, the easiest way I can tell you to repair a factory alarm is to disconnect your battery. Okay, the first thing you want to do is disconnect your negative battery terminal here. I do recommend, if you had the time to do it, to write down all your radio stations that you had preset, because once you do this, unfortunately, you're going to lose them all. But disconnect your negative battery terminal. You're going to want to leave this off for at least 1 minute. And hopefully, with a factory alarm, it's not going to reset when you plug it back in, but unfortunately, it probably will. Factory alarms, unfortunately, 90% of the time, you'll have to get them repaired at the dealership because they're pretty intricate, and unless you actually know physically what's wrong with the alarm system, it's real hard to repair. Aftermarket alarm systems, unfortunately, when they do go bad, they're really difficult to repair also. You have to actually take them out or replace them. But for the sheer fact of disabling a factory alarm or even the other one, leave this battery post off for about a minute, then hook it back up, and hopefully your alarm will stay off. 9 times out of 10 it will. I do want to mention, though, some of the aftermarket alarms like the AudioVox and they have the Firehawk and some of the other ones out there have a battery backup. So even disconnecting this post right here, you'll have to sit for another 5 minutes before it disables that back battery. But that's the easiest and quickest way I can tell you how to disable an alarm.